This is the story of a millionaire, he said. Somebody once told me money doesn't buy happiness. I believed that for years. Then I got rich, and I realized something. That line isn't wisdom. It's a story poor people get told to make them comfortable with staying poor. I quit my job in my early 22 years. A few years later, I was a multimillionaire. And looking back, my whole journey broke down into 5 stages. Most people get stuck on stage 1 and never even realize it. Here's all 5, in under 3 minutes. Stage 1 is drifting, floating from job to job, side hustle to side hustle, hoping something eventually sticks. Drifters aren't lazy. They're just scared of picking the wrong thing, so they don't pick anything at all. Here's the problem. If you don't choose a direction, life chooses one for you, and life will choose comfortable, average, and stuck every single time. Ask yourself honestly, are you drifting right now? Stage 2 is where everything changes, called obsession, not casual interest. A single, almost uncomfortable decision. I am going to get rich, and that's the priority. People love to chase 10 goals at once, learn guitar, run a marathon, get rich, learn a language. But nobody becomes a professional athlete while also juggling 9 hobbies. Wealth is no different. It demands focus before it gives you freedom back. Stage 3 is discovery. You don't need a revolutionary idea. You need someone slightly ahead of you already doing what you want to do. And you study them like a sponge. When I was young, before opening my first business, I took a Saturday job at a shop just like the one I dreamed of running. Not for the paycheck, for the blueprint. I watched, I asked questions, I wrote down everything that worked and everything that didn't. Find your version of that person. Copy their pathway. It's the closest thing to a cheat code that exists. Stage 4 is acceleration, and it's brutal. You start doing the work badly, on purpose, because you have to be bad before you can be good. You ask for real feedback, not the kind your friends and family give you to spare your feelings. This is also the lonely chapter. You start drifting from people who don't share your drive long before you're successful enough to belong anywhere else. My own son went through this. He skipped university to learn videography, lost touch with old friends for 2 years, and grounded out almost completely alone before it paid off. The people who quit here. Not because they're untalented, because nobody warned them this part would feel like nothing's working. Stage 5 is freedom. And here's the twist almost nobody tells you. Being rich and being wealthy are not the same thing. Rich is the flashy car, the designer jacket, the vacation photos. Wealthy is reinvesting what you earn into more skills, more income streams, more compounding assets, instead of spending it to impress people who are just as broke as you used to be. Every dollar you blow on something meaningless today is a dollar stolen from the person you're trying to become. Drifting. Obsession, discovery, acceleration, freedom. Most people never make it past stage 1, not because they're not smart enough, but because nobody ever laid out the stages for them like this. Now you know all 5. The only question left is which one you're actually standing in today. If this helped you see your own next move, subscribe. Because next time, I'm breaking down exactly how to survive stage 4, the lonely chapter, without quitting.